Hello, hello, and welcome to a Tuesday that sees me with my new FTMO challenge account, 200K. I was pretty nervous for some reason this morning when I was getting started because it's my first trade on this new 200K challenge, but you know, whatever, it's cool. Let me just show you what I was looking at when I turned on the computer this morning. This morning, when I turned on the computer, I was looking at this. Friday, we had this big push down. Yesterday, we had this sort of little bounce here with the consolidation. Didn't really go anywhere. It got rejected off the 5 minute 200 basically. And then this morning, that's a 4 hour chart, by the way. So basically, price has been holding 34,600 last couple days. This morning, this what I saw was a push down towards that 34,600. So it looked like it was going to break through it, and it did. So at the open, at New York Open, which is right around here, this is where all this volume is. That's New York Open. I kind of sat back to see what was going to happen, and what I did kind of see was I thought was well. Let's back up for just a second. The 8:30 news, which came in out of Canada, showed pretty bad inflation increase, worse since April. So in my mind, on the fundamentals on that, yeah, we're probably going to go lower, just because it was a really bad number. It showed a 4% rate of inflation. So annualized. So yeah, pretty bad for the month of August. Anyway, I figure I'd let a few minutes go by and digest the New York Open and see what would happen here. We popped up to the 20, and then we pulled back. And what I kind of saw, you can see it better on the line chart, there's a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern here. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, which actually spiked up to, we had a wick that spiked up to the 20, and then another shoulder. So I figured that's a nice little trade, and I went ahead and got short right here, and it came down, and it really didn't come down very far at all, and it just kind of stalled here, and then it started moving back up. So I got out flat rather than get stopped out. I got out flat and decided to wait for the next trade. So usually what I've found is that double tops off the 20 are usually pretty strong trades, especially when you're going short. So I looked to get back in again up here after we rejected off this 20, and I did get in right here about 74. Yeah, 33.45.74 and 40 cents. So right here I got in. So I took it down. I had a 40 pip stop on it, so my stop was way up here. Probably was too high of a stop. In fact, I know it was too high of a stop now that I look at it again. But I'm trying to be conservative because it's really my first day trading with this new challenge. I'm feeling a little nervous, and I didn't want to get wicked out. So I put a pretty large stop on it and waited for it to come down. It came down half an hour, and I could have taken half an hour off of it, but then it pulled back towards my entry, and I got out with a 1/3 hour profit, about $330. Unfortunately, not too long after I got out, like right after I got out on this candle, it wicked, and then it came back down again pretty strong, and then at the 10 o'clock hour, a lot of sell volume came in, and it just started pushing way down. So, unfortunately I had the right idea, but I was just a little early, and that seems to be the story of my life a lot of the time. Just, it's a little bit early, and then, with the right idea, but just a little bit early. So I don't know, maybe the moral is I got to wait for more back tests to happen to confirm my thesis, and then just be patiently waiting for the back test to confirm. I don't know. But anyway, you just can't be perfect with your timing every time. So anyway, I had to watch it go down about, I don't know, 6R or something like that. Not that I necessarily would have taken 6R off of it, but it really pushed down. I earlier on the 4 hour, I've been noticing that there was a sorry, let me put it back to one and grab this chart. I noticed that there was an order block down here, so I marked it on my 1 minute, and this is it. This represents the 50% level of it. This represents the 61.8 level of it. So when I saw price coming down into that order block, that 4 hour order block, I was pretty sure there's going to be a little bounce off of it. And because I was just so disappointed for missing out on that trade prior, I decided to just scalp this with a half lot. So I just basically took a little scalp here, like a 1 minute scalp, and made like $100 off this. When I saw this this little gravestone doji right off the exact 50% line of that 4-hour order block, I just I just took it right here and got out up here after it stalled out. So right here is actually probably an amazing place to get in. But again, I don't like picking bottoms. I'm not big on picking bottoms. To me, the real trades are like these, where you join the trend after you get like a double top against a key level of resistance. In this case, it was the 20. It's just my timing was off, so I got wicked out right here on this wick. But next time, hopefully, I'll be able to time it a little bit better, or it'll just go my way. This could have gone like that right from the start, but it decided to it want to hang up and wick me out like that. So that's life. Anyway, so that's my first day of trading on the 200K challenge. Total profit for the day was $435. Not that great, not even half an hour, but it is what it is. I got what I got, and at least I didn't lose. So metrics for the day, we've got a $435 profit today. We've got plenty of time. This is actually unlimited time on this. This is new. FTMO, there's unlimited time to hit the 20,000. So I think I'm going to be all right. As far as timing, I had 3 trades, one for scratch, one for $329, and that last one for $101. So currently up almost half an hour on the first day, and we're going to see what happens with this. We're going to see if we can hit that 20,000. I hope we can. Really, really excited about it, and we're going to see what happens. So that's it for now, and I'll talk to you on the next one.